Hello, hello, Andy here. Okay, let's read this article. The real reason why you still cannot get a design job in 2024. A challenging employment marketing or challenging mindset by Melody Koch. The most trendy article on Medium for 2024 is anything that acknowledge,
Acknowledges.
acknowledges that job hunting in design, especially for junior, is crappy experience. Countless,
Countless.
countless of stories about how people have failed to break into the industry
Industry.
industry, and then some about how designers are struggling to keep their place as layoff quick the tech war time and time again, causing causing
Causing.
causing industry casualties and continued talent bleed. I wonder what I could do to help ease the mind of the trouble. Mentoring is no longer effective, but writing has always done my advice a large outreach. My advice, my advice a large outreach. And so I write the myth of timing and luck. It's very easy to for inexperienced professional to blame timing as one of the key reason why they struggling. The market is so sat, saturated
Saturated.
saturated saturated in 2024 is it is employee market automation and tech advancement are coming for our job is not as well paid anymore, etc. I have read sentiment and complaint almost every week since 2020, and I disagree with this notion. If it really was a timing issue, most of you should have got a job by now. You had for a whole year. Surely there were multiple window opportunity. So if you are struggling to get a job, there's only few reason why. Everyone sees me as the a privileged senior level professional bitching about how everyone else can do better today. Okay, Boomer. Echo is a very angry, emotional, failing designer that hiding their face behind the screen. But the reality is that I did not have an easy time to breaking into the industry either. I knew it was going to extra difficult get a stable job. But I don't design so much, not just UX. I did everything under the stone when I freelanced. Oh my god, you did not have as much competition. Shut up. Yeah, well, that's not true. And I did not have that many jobs to apply to either. Any competition was brutally met with the reality that employers want senior rather than junior. The market today really is not that different from when I was start. If you divide the number of job with the number of application and compare with experience one by one. What did I do? Just keep applying and wait until someone accept my profile? Hell no. Sitting around waiting something is stupid. So I freelance. I offer design service for free, then for the next to nothing. Then for next to nothing. Any recent job that was available I took. Every single time I was underpaid. But I recognize that I was also underskilled. I need to build myself, and the only way to do so was for experience, not more certificate. One thing that made my approach successful compare my peer was that I was not fixed fixed
Fixated.
fixated on UX or any sort of design competency. I did not have any ego. I was not too good for anything. Recognized that I was in fact not good enough to be
Warranted.
warranted a choice. Many of you are failing because you have ego. That's literally all there is to the problem. That's literally all there is to this problem. The reality takes job market 2024. Before I go into harsh personal jobs, I most my hater are dying to clap back on. I think it's better to provide some more context about the job market for designer 2024 before this article get flagged for victim blaming. There is our internal factor affecting the job market you cannot control. So yes, you can be too hard on yourself, but you still need to be self-critical. The economy has shifted and will continue to shift as investor are tighter,
Tighter.
tighter as investor are tighter, tight, tighter,
Tighter.
tighter,
Tighter. 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 Tighter.
tighter on their coin, tight as investor are tighter on their coin and want to see the result their game
Gambles.
gambles, so companies are pressured to streamline for profitability. What this means is unless the role is essential for company to function, it will not exist. So but so but
Both.
both both design and research what are what are quit
Quite.
what are quite hard pressed to make impact because if the risk is negligible.
Negligible. Negligible.
ne- negli,
Negligible. Negligible.
negligible 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 impact. You won't have a word. It also important to note that ability of sure tech talent exists. Many companies are hiring the cheaper tech hub that provide the same service for much less money. What this trend result is part of industry finding the job shifts overseas. So there is will be less job overall in your local job board, and the local industry will get more niche in scope. There is are more designer now. I had hearing about, but I don't have to an- acknowledge, an- acknowledge
Acknowledge.
acknowledge the that market saturation does exist in the industry right now with less job and the more people demanding the same job. It not it's not surprise we have an oversupply, but that's mean designer need to give up their hand the Japan because of this. The global result of this oversupply increased expectation of decent outcome. Demand demand is still there and it's going to stay, but the only select few gets to play the game. Designer who are able to deliver high quality outcome will emerge the winner in the competitive landscape. So the career strategy everyone needs to take is to hyper focus on upscaling to make sure their design and result are the best they can be. If not, they will be left out the dry somewhere down the line. They're getting more uncomfortably unstable. Layoffs are here to stay, and the instability holding down a tech job is starting to breed up in the entire industry. There's a reason why very senior tech professionals are deciding to quit uh, altogether. To each their own, but a valid reason. Veterans in tech industry can attest that so-called high salaries we are paid are either insurance to us not having stability in space, as well as prepayment of unpaid every time and highly stressful work environment. Money in tax comes with many caveats. Many an our Navy who use the salary to fuel levies, lifestyle, or meet with great dis- dis- disappointment and anxiety when the instability bear it thanks as a result of their bad financial habit. The company are also starting to scale back on their benefit and alternatively career consideration are opening up when professionals know very balanced pros and cons to wait for their for next move. The golden rice bowl of the tech industry is melting. Individual where junior designer any level are struggling to get jobs. So after all that, can it still be the fault of designer for failing to secure employment? No, do. Of course, the answer is yes. I like to giving people personality check because if you can process critique from stranger online, you're not gonna make it. The professional work design much harsher than work on a screen. If you're struggling, it's not just because of your portfolio. It's not just because the market saturation. It's not just because the economy is bad. You're struggling because of you. So please pick that. You are too picky about what you were as being fix, fixated,
Fixated.
fixated, 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 fixated to a specific recent career. Of the major cause of failure when you're starting out as junior. The reality that is not enough specific design to go around for junior role. The last 4 years I have been regurgitating
regurgitating,
regurgitating
re- regurgitating, 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 regurgitating,
regur
regur- regurgitating,
regurgitating the fact that you guys have been sold a big fat lie by boot camps and education institute that had everything to gain by taking you into the tech industry. That's just not enough to outrun because the tech industry, the one that is not profitable, 90% of the time. This was the window where there was a need to more talent without much
scrutiny,
scrutiny, scrutiny because we are desperate, but that window is long gone. I had to work dozens of different design jobs before I land on the one that become my career. And now that I'm on the hiring manager side of things, I keep seeing so many empty spots in other design competency that no one wants to take. No one to take up photography, no one to do the graphic design, no one to do video editing, no one to do social media, no one to do consulting. You want a job, there's already less than some decent jobs that are always looking for people now and but not apply to. Are you serious not going to take work just because it's
beneath,
beneath beneath you to do because it's not pristine
pristine,
pristine UX job in nice company you were promised good offer yourself. And if you tell me you have tried this job and still fail, keep reading. You fail you fail to recognize that you are not good enough. I will telling you to be self-deprecating, but being able your critics is very important. Is really ever the case that junior level designer will outperform their senior work. The fact that junior are you are not actually that good at delivering design outcome when you have no experience navigating environment where you have no control over product and business decision. It's very natural to think that designer the word of God and business should follow a very single fancy methodology we have to over. But the fact is that design initiative are expensive and don't guarantee success. Many failure happen inside of company even with design workflow in place. That's how design team fail and get cut off in bulk. Company then trust get their problem solved by hiring designer. I should have job. Yeah, that value. Do you provide what the impact can you really make Why should we invest 10,000 in salary and benefit to employee? Just being a UX designer is not good enough. Every designer I know that is successful is not just UX designer. There were many heads in the design realm are able utilize many design competitive competency that make valuable asset their company. What have you done to make sure you could contribute more UX certificate? Don't make y- don't make us low. You are not special and you need to be. Every final job interview I go that end in a rejection. It's always superficial reason why they decide to go with one candidate over myself. Every stage I did not make it result of very simple reason. I was not good enough. I did not have the special skill set they want. Did not have the they are looking they were looking for. It's my fault for not being able to read employee mind. How self-critical do we have to be there? Well, you cannot read the employee minds, but that precisely why having career in the series of gambles. You pick up the skill you want and the skill you think are available. Building up skill set and niche experience and help the fit at some company. So it's game of luck, but luck is what happens when preparation means opportunity. If you are not prepared, you never getting lucky. Pick up new skill and apply it your work constantly. And how you stand out 2024 being special and making yourself special. Stop mentoring after personally committing time to advise seven 70 designer on their skin. Out of 70, only 4 really make it. And these designers are the one I still talk and respond when they message. Why only for the message? Why are the only 4 designer? Are they super talented? Were they from glorious background? No, two this designer were not even from designer degree, and all of their skill need polishing. The difference between for designer versus the other loser was the fact that they were able to take advice and criticism harsh, but I'm so sick of the minty wasting my time just so they can feel pretty. Every single junior that reach out me for employment help all face the same problem. This was solve the problem, took the action advice given. I have studied this length with my own career and stress test by my theory with my sample size of 70. Most of the time, the problem lies with the designer, not the market. Brexit always exists, the struggle is real and the struggle is good. I personally enjoy the challenge and the fact that designer no longer a place where you grant a seat easily. Because if it were really that easy, it will make career a bullshit job. Now that isn't bad, it is one, but I am a designer that takes pride in my work. So I rather not have it be like that. Quality design is increasing. We had shortage designer. Now we have the shortage a good designer. The market will always favor people who are good at their job. So if you are not good enough, you get weed out. While the theoretically puts a lot stress on junior designer, I actually think it put the most stress medio
mediocre,
mediocre senior veteran level designer who were not able to keep up with the demand. Now combined with saturated market, it kept everyone on our toes, which continue the high design standard for the next generation. Pressure create demand, and if you like the shiny thing, this is the time to be. Recruitment process are evolving. While we all detest how long recruitment process are for designer, I can still see the silver lining in this because the current process are far more transparent and standardized across the board. When I start recruiting in is inconsistent among candidates for the same role. Some candidates can get an offer with one interview, while others are subjected to the 3-4 more step. Nepotism was rife, and there was no clear record why one candidate impressed more than other. The fact that they either spoke well or is a friend. Everyone gets long interview now and meet multiple checkpoints during hiring stage. I see this as fairer and more transparent system through much more painful for both employee and employees. The value designer is one again being questioned. I love design philosophy, and now time where we ask ourselves the meaning value of our work. With design system, process automation, now design methodologies. What value does modern designer provide? The designer will able ponder and seek the answer this question. Will the one emerging successful from the current design winter? The answer doesn't matter. What matter is designer who can think and act the castle. Closing to when it comes securing a job and having a career, there's no strike answer what really right and wrong. But general principle to success and common pitfall are not secret. I got a comment from my LinkedIn and asking what designer should focus, knowledge or craft. I sped at having knowledge because if UX method weren't enough to secure job, why did so many people to knowledge still jobless? Of course, is in ideal world you have both. With my previous article about hiring the best designer, I mentioned that is the responsibility of the company to provide the knowledge and the responsibility designer to provide the craft, and is undeniable fact that usually the one of better at the craft gets the job. But as you get more senior, your knowledge area expertise also expand to expand. But the session the factor always to gas back the craft. My currently employer had really hard to time to picking between me and another candidate because we had the same level knowledge and very similar level to comes to the crowd. But just because I am an inch better at my execution, I got the job. Really, my entire design industry highly competitive now. It is extremely stressful to keep up, make the right choice isn't exist. Even I don't know what the future holds. If you are really serious being employed anywhere, you need to put in effort, surface level skill, one surface. Keep freelancing, keep working, keep focusing on getting better. Stop going to course and letting institution mold your mind on what the design is because they don't know shit and you end up knowing other. The reality of design or this door and into jungle where you hunt get or get hunted. Now in the choose the home office space you set up and dream to work in. So wake up six 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 is time to work.